This is Chris Greenwood coming to you from Boone, North Carolina, and this is just another neighborhood area that I want to show people. Where I'm at is about 3,800 feet elevation, pretty decent height, and if I was to turn the camera, you'll see we're in a bowl of mountains, and over my shoulder, we're facing due east here, are just farmlands and just rolling meadows, and it's like that throughout the entire area. So being in Boone is really the nexus of the energy sector, if you will, up in this area here. Boone is literally just 5 miles to my west over here, and Blowing Rock, which is another affluent community, is about 3.5 miles to the southwest here. There's a lot to be said about Blowing Rock, really nice homes and so forth, but in Boone there's actually more property. There's reduced inventory in both, but in Boone it's unbelievable that you can get into some of these areas to see that there's just some incredible views. I may have mentioned in some other videos that I've been a realtor for the past 18 years in Florida, and I'm new to this area for about a year, and I'll have my broker's license finished up here in about 2 months. So this is just informational. I'm not buying and selling real estate, but what I want to let you know is that there's a lot of different options up here, and when you get into an area like Boone, if you know somebody that's familiar, I have a part-time job with the post office and I work in Lenore, but the Boone post office borrows me fairly frequently, and I come up in these areas and I take notes about some of these areas I'm in, and you'll never get into some of these areas unless you know someone that's familiar. So I'm showing you one now. This ground I'm actually standing on is for sale, but I can't get into detail, but this entire view. And so most of the homes here are probably priced $700 to $1.2 million. And steadily, or I'd say slowly going up. Lots like this may be 200 to 250. I'm not going to be real specific on that, but for some people that feel they're priced out of the market, one option for them, if they can't afford the property to get in, is to buy a lot and to maybe hold that for 2 years, draw up plans and build your own home. You may actually be able to build that for 65-75% of the cost of the property. So having some different options to look at when you come to the Highlands. So again, I'm highlighting Boone today. Again, their population is about 19,000. Median age here is a little lower because we have a good student population here that is basically 22 years old. So the median age here is, I believe, 34, even though you have demographics across all sectors. And of course that fluctuates because we have students in season from August through May, and then they leave. And of course then we have more seasonal people coming in that are, some of the people enjoy the summer up here. And then you'll have a different population, and again it picks up in the fall. So it's kind of fun. The energy from the students really is a nice thing to be around. And then being able to drop off the mountain. Basically any direction you go in 25 minutes, you're going to get off the mountain. So there's Lenore. Now about 45 minutes to the west here is Johnson City, and that's in Tennessee. And a little over an hour to the north is Marion and Abington, Virginia. And to the east here would be Wilkes-Barre, going down to the Winston-Salem in the Piedmont area. Anyway, I'm just doing these informational videos. If you feel like you like this and you want to see other areas just like this, in January 2024, I'm going to be a broker at the Blue Ridge Broker, Chris Greenwood. Again, this time I'm not doing anything for sale. This is strictly informational, and I'd be happy to set up tours and to help people out. And I hope you enjoy this. Have a great day.